very, very hot. And so it gets really, really hot inside the store. Over the next 2 to 3 months, the food began to decompose. Without refrigeration, perishable items rapidly spoiled, producing gases, liquids, and overwhelming odors. The interior of the store became a breeding ground for bacteria such as E. coli, as well as insects and rodents. Residents of the surrounding neighborhoods soon noticed a powerful foul smell. And people started complaining by about mid-October. They said it smelled like dead animals, and if you walked by the store, it would give them headaches. And so people didn't know what it was. They're complaining by October, this store, it smells horrible. They go and open the store, and then they see what the investigators, first county crews go and show up there, and it's just a mess. It was so bad that they did tests of the air quality. The air was filled with toxic gases and had low oxygen levels. Because it's a sealed store, right? The doors are all closed. The air conditioner's on. No air filtration. So this food is decomposing, right? It's emitting stuff. Like think about like when, like bananas, right? Fruit, some of the ripeness and emits like methane gas. Normally, it barely does that. It doesn't stay in one place. But if it's all in one place, it's producing these gases. It's filling up the room. There's not even enough oxygen in there to safely be in it. And then the bacteria is spread all over the place. Foods like E. coli. The rats go in there to eat the food. The rats get sick and the rats die. The company is under bankruptcy. Ownership and liability for the property were unclear. The bank trustees and city officials initially hesitated or disagreed about who was responsible for testing the hazard. This delay allowed conditions inside the store to deteriorate further, turning the building into a serious public health problem. And so we went in, we looked, the oxygen levels were too low, and regular people could not just go in and trash bags and they could put them down there. Just as cleanup crews had to wear full hazmat suits with air filtration systems. Workers used heavy equipment to remove decomposed food and contaminated liquids, transferring them into sealed containers that were then taken to well, it was crazy, like inside, like for example, milk jugs, they explode. Use the lactic acid and lactic acid, that's in your muscles, but lactose, I guess it can expand as a gas. You got these jugs, and they explode. And then you got rotten milk that's exploded, bacteria. They had to get rid of everything. I think they tried to save some of the cash registers, but like even the canned food was so covered in bacteria they felt it wasn't safe, and they threw it all away. So it says it was expensive. The initial estimates of around $10,000 quickly ballooned to reach thousands of dollars per day, tens of thousands.
This concludes for this video. Click on the bell, like, comment, subscribe, share, and be sure to watch other videos on this channel. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video. Goodbye.